Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable printer sharing on Windows 10 so multiple people on the same network can use one printer easily and efficiently. Printer sharing is helpful if you work in a home or office setup where more than one computer needs access to the same printer. It saves time, reduces hardware costs, and keeps your workflow smooth. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu from the bottom left corner of your screen. From the Start menu, click on Settings to open the Windows Settings panel. Inside Settings, select Devices. This is where Windows manages printers, scanners, and other connected hardware. Next, click on Printers and Scanners from the menu on the left. Find the printer you want to share from the list of installed printers and click on it. Click Manage, then choose Printer Properties from the options. In the Printer Properties window, open the Sharing tab. Check the box that says Share this printer. If you want, you can give the printer a simple name that's easy for others to recognize. Click Apply, then OK to save your settings. And that's it. You've successfully enabled printer sharing on Windows 10, making it easier for everyone on your network to print without switching devices. Thanks for watching.